Are you ready to find out what's in the mix? In collaboration with Emancipet, Embark, and MUTTS Canine Cantina, Subaru of Georgetown sponsored a giveaway event where 20 lucky pups got a chance to win a DNA kit. We believe that you don't have to own a Subaru to love Subaru of Georgetown, so in an effort to support Emancipet, all the proceeds from the event were donated to them.
I run the place, I run the space, I run the scene that light up your face. I run the place, I run the space, I run the scene. Run the place, run the space, I run the scene that light up your face. I run the place, I run the space, I run the scene.
We can't wait to find out the results of the winners, so make sure to mark your calendars, grab your leash, and come out to MUTTS Canine Cantina for the reveal party on September 20th. See you then!